Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to blur video background using CapCut editing. So in order to do that, you need to have CapCut installed on your phone first, and if not, please install and download it, and make sure that this is on the updated version because the updated version has lesser bugs and you will not encounter any issues from there. So without further ado, let's go. Let's head over to CapCut, click on new project right here, click it, and then add the video that you want to use. And then when you're in there, you just need to swipe on the bottom right here. Let's swipe until we can see this effects button. So let's click on that, click on video effects, and then in here you can see halo blur. So let's click that and then click on check and just drag this effect until the very end of the video. So let's drag it up to here. You can also adjust it. So let's adjust the intensity. Let's make it very blurred. And once you're in there, what you need to do next is to add a video again by clicking this overlay button. So click on add overlay and then add the video that we used and then resize it. Make it as big as the video first. And then once we're in there, what we need to do is to just click on the video again and then swipe until you can see this count out button. So click on that, click on remove background, and as you can see, it is loading right now, and let's just wait for it to remove the background itself. As you can see right now, the background has been removed, so let's click on check. So once you're done with everything, just click on this export icon right here. Let's click that, and you can now export it and share it to your other social media accounts. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.